Hello everyone and welcome to this video of this 2016 BMW R1200GS Adventure TE factory low. Very rare to get a factory low. This one we've had through our doors once before and it is an absolute stunner. It's covered just over 29,000 miles. Very good service history. Starts off with BMW, then once by ourselves when we sold it, once more by a BMW specialist, which was the major 24,000 mile service. It is due another service, so that we will do that for the next owner. But as you can see, the bike is loaded with the Adventure 3-piece aluminium luggage system. It's also got the handlebar risers, some fog lamps, and I think that covers most of the extras. Of course, the TE version is fully loaded. Shift assist, cruise control, heated grips, ESA, and the list goes on. One of the extras I didn't mention, and quite an important one, is the proper BMW navigator sat-nav, which means you can control it through the scrolling wheel on the handlebars, which works very well too. Well, as I say, it is a stunning example, and I'm going to go in more detail about that right now. So, looking at the front end of this machine, all the paintwork, lovely condition, minimal stone chipping, and you can see what I'm talking about. It's lovely and clean. Fork legs, again, all very tidy. And you look at that front wheel, spokes are in lovely condition. The wheel hub, the rims, no real corrosion when you're pitting to mention. It is absolutely superb. Front engine cover, very exposed area. They always deteriorate on the BMWs if they're not looked after. And as you can see, this machine is lovely. Not to mention the exhaust downpipes that are very free of any corrosion or tarnishing. Just about see there, that front shock absorber, again, nice and clean and tidy. You move around to the right hand side of the bike, and again, all the bodywork and the paintwork, lovely and unmarked. You look at the crash bars, again, no markings there. Cylinder head cover, original finish, no marks to that either. Of course, that's one of the first areas to touch the ground if they get dropped. You can see the exhaust just all the way down there, where all the muck gets up. It's nice and clean. Rear wheel, same story. No real corrosion or anything to speak of. Wheel rims lovely. It's just a beautiful, really well looked after example. So we'll go around the back of the bike and onto the left hand side. Again, panniers, all nice and clean. No real damage to report. Another area that really suffers with these is the final drive housing, and you can see there's no real corrosion or any tarnishing. What happens is they get moisture underneath the finish and it starts to blister. It looks really nasty, and that eventually peels off and you get oxidization behind the finish. But on this machine, you can see it's very tidy. Better shot of the rear shock here. Again, lovely and clean. The left side crash bar, some very light markings just over there. Nothing to get too excited about because it's very minor. Rest of the bars all tidy. Handguard unmarked. Quite possibly those marks could have happened in a garage up against the wall rather than the bike actually being dropped, but as I say, it's very minimal. So going further forward, You can see those brake discs, right hand side of the front wheel, lovely and tidy, and the front of the engine again this side, very, very good indeed. So we just go over the top of the bike and you can see again, riders and pillion seats both are marked, no rips or tears. Nice tank protector there. And then you've got your controls, cruise, ABS, ESA, your trips and your info, your fog lamps. And then on this side your mode button, your heated grips. Nice little storage compartment on these, just under there. So let's go ahead and start it. Well, there you go. One beautiful example of the rare factory low Adventure TE. One of the last of them before they went to liquid cooled, and it's available here at Motorbiking. If you'd like to discuss the bike, please call us on 01202 479 125. You can email me, paul@motorbiking.co.uk. If you've got a part exchange, do let us know. We'll always take a look and consider it. We also offer finance. Visit our website, click on the advert, you'll find a finance calculator there, or you're welcome to give us a call. Hopefully this video has helped, and thank you for watching.